are in desperate need to seek relief from the seizures in India. Globally, the number is 50 million epilepsy patients. Around 90% patients go undiagnosed and untreated. Doctors too face a fair share of problems. They have the expertise but lack the essential mechanism for visual inspection into brain, increasing the chances of misdiagnosis by 50%. This is where MedMarvel, a global experienced team of neurosurgeons, neurophysicians and other experts in healthcare and IT have come together to solve a century-old problem. MedVirtuoso, a product that provides an automated and scalable neuroimaging and informatics platform.
I am Dr. Nilesh Kurwale, epilepsy surgeon. Planning of epilepsy requires interpretation of multiple data sets in one go. That is video EEG, MRI, PET scan, MRI fusion, MRI PET fusion or a co-registration, and then network analysis of connectivity and a language fMRI. All these things are required to plan correctly, to identify the source as well as to plan the resection of that source epileptogenic lesion in a confident manner. So right now all these things are available at a different go, and it is a very time consuming process. It takes almost 6 to 7 hours to process video EEG, MRI, PET scan. This platform will cut short the time required for this planning and execution of epilepsy surgeries. You can see clinical details wherein you can mention all, you can have all the clinical details like example assessment, and after that you go to the video EEG wherein you can actually view video and EEG all together, and you can always write your impression. Next is the DICOM viewer where you can actually view all the MRIs in all the necessary screens or formats or a SAG and axial screens, as well as with a cross coordination. The most important step is the MRI and PET fusion. PET and MRI is fused and you would be able to see the MRI PET fusion. This process actually in normalcy take 4 to 6 hours, but this is actually automated in this product and you will get at the fingertip. The next most important thing, once you can actually see the tractography and you would be able to see the tracks here. At the same time you should be able to see the functional MRI, which are language based or task based or resting state. You should be able to do segmentations like thalamic segmentations. You should be able to see the all subcortical and cortical segmentations and parcellations. And then you should be, once you evaluate all these things, you should be able to write your remark and your impression of all this case, and this should be available at your fingertip.
The same technology, which is restricted to only a select few institutes in metro, will be available across India, since the technology will be easily accessible and available from any part of the rural India to the rest of the world. MedVirtuoso is an extensible platform to 200 plus other neurological disorders. In India, 350,000 drug-resistant epilepsy patients require surgery today. However, only 800 are performed, leading to a huge treatment gap. Physicians using MedVirtuoso will get to treat more patients, giving them affordable, accurate and timely treatment. This platform is a long-pending essential requirement by hospitals, clinical organizations and neurology clinics. We will be profitable by 2023, reaching more and more visionaries to help us make a huge social impact. We aim higher as we speak from our experience. Our numerous achievements include being recognized as the global top 500 promising startups by Slingshot 2020, Top 50 Smart Healthcare Leaders Award, CIO Insider Magazine, Top 10 Healthcare Startups of India 2020, and many others.